posting your content on YouTube, and then what? So you've created your video, you've managed to upload it to YouTube, but now what are you going to do with it? Creating video content and getting it into YouTube is just the first step. There are millions of videos on YouTube. So hoping that your video will be discovered and distributed is kind of like hoping that Sally, who sells seashells down by the seashore, will think that you're the prettiest shell on the beach, and she will select you among her wares. And so what then should you do to get the most bang out of your YouTube video buck? Here are 3 ways to optimize the distribution of your YouTube video once it has been uploaded. First one is the hyperlinked YouTube icon. By now, you know that video content plays a vital role in your marketing and your internal communications. You've set up a YouTube channel, but now you have to create a bridge that connects your YouTube channel over to your website. One thing we suggest is to place a YouTube icon on your website's home page and then link that icon over to your YouTube channel. For those of you who use a blog platform like WordPress, this process is very simple. But even if you don't use WordPress, in many cases, placing an icon and making it a hyperlink is very similar, and it's very simple. Let's begin by logging into your site. And once you've done this, you will be taken to your dashboard screen. In the left-hand column, you'll see a link that is the media link. Hover your cursor over this button, and you'll see a link that says library. This is where it'll take you to a screen where you will be able to upload a YouTube icon to your website. Now, if you don't have a YouTube icon on your computer already, you can find one on Google Images. Just type YouTube into Google and click the Images link in the upper left-hand corner. Go to the dashboard and upload your YouTube icon into the media library by clicking the Add New button. Now that you've uploaded your YouTube icon, you'll be provided with an image URL, and you want to copy this image URL. Now you will go to the left-hand column of the dashboard and navigate to the Links page. Select the Add New option and scroll down until you see the image address field in the Advanced section. And this is where you're going to paste your image URL. Now scroll up to the web address URL. And this is where you'll paste the URL to your YouTube channel. If you do not have a YouTube channel, go to YouTube or a YouTube channel URL. Go to YouTube and log in. And then in the top right-hand corner, you'll see your account drop-down menu. Click on the menu and select the My Channel link. And then this will take you to your YouTube channel. Once you've copied the channel URL, you can return to your site's links page and paste the URL into the web address URL field. Now that you've uploaded and linked the icon to your YouTube channel, scroll to the Target section on your links page and choose the option that says Blank New Window or Tab option. And the reason that you're choosing this option is so that when your visitors click on the YouTube icon on your website, it will not navigate them away from your website to a place they might get distracted. Now visitors to your website have a readily accessible pathway and it'll take them from your website's homepage directly to your collection of YouTube videos. That's one way of sharing your YouTube videos, directly through a YouTube icon on your website. Another way is sharing the video's URL for a specific video. Of course, there are many times when you want to just share one specific video. And when this happens, you actually have two different options. Option one is to hyperlink a segment of text. And option two is to simply copy and paste the video's URL into a message. For both options, YouTube has a built-in sharing tool that you will want to use. And to find them, simply locate the share button just below the video window. Clicking on this button will open up a drop-down menu where you will see a shortened URL and a button that's called Embed. It is important to point out that YouTube's built-in sharing options will allow you to share a video directly to Facebook, Twitter, or in an email with a quick click of that button. But what we are looking for is the video's URL. So copy the shortened URL from that page. For option one, once you've copied the video URL, the next step is the process to highlight the segment of text that you want to link and then click the hyperlink button, whose icon is commonly depicted as a chain link. Doing this should cause a data entry box to appear. This data entry box will have a field for you to paste the URL and an option to have the link open in a different tab or in the currently open tab. Option two, usually coupled with an integrating headline statement or an intriguing headline statement, requires that you merely copy and paste the shortened URL into the data field where you normally would type your message. You can do this through Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. A third option would be to embed the video into a blog post. Let's say that you want to include the video into a blog post that you are composing. If this is the case, you'll need to embed, is what they term it, the video into your blog post. And the first step to this process is to log into your blog site, click on a new post, and then click on the HTML tab, which now enables you to paste HTML code into your blog post. Now go to your YouTube video, back to the Share menu. This time you will want to click on the Embed button. Once you have done this, you will see a data field of HTML code. Whether you understand that code or not doesn't matter. Just copy that code, but before you do, there's a few things that you do want to know. Information such as, how many pixels space do you need? Will you need to use the old embed code? When the video finishes playing, do you want your viewer to see options to watch videos that YouTube believes are related to the one they just finished playing? To answer the question, how much pixel space do you need, you really only need to know the maximum pixel width of your blog. YouTube will automatically set the height for you. To answer the question, will you need to use the old embed code, just requires that you test to see if the new code works when you publish the post. And only you can answer the question about playing recommended videos. Since you do not get to pick the recommended videos, we recommend that you uncheck this option before copying the embed code and then placing it into your blog post. Now that you have your YouTube embed code, go back to your blog and paste the code into your post's main data entry field. Remember to be sure that you've selected the HTML tab before pasting the code, because you're actually pasting HTML code, not text. Once this process has been completed, you're now ready to publish the post. The video will appear in the body of your post unless you need YouTube's old embed code. And if this happens, just go back to YouTube to the video section and select the Use Old Embed Code option, and then repaste the code in the HTML tab.